Liberty stock number 51397, Haas, model TL-1, 2-axis CNC lathe, serial number 3117166. It has a 7.5 inch Sam Chully, model FTC 190, 3-jaw manual chuck, 4-station automatic tool turret. Cooling system is over here.
Okay. All that good stuff.
All that good stuff.
Okay, so yeah, bring it around, open up a little bit here. Got what you need here. You can open up some doors. This one's already open pretty far. This one, go back some. There we go. How's the lighting? Okay.
Yeah, lighting's good.
The light does work, by the way, but
yeah,
I know you're not,
it throws a lot of blue in there.
But it's, yeah, that's exactly what it does. It's a blue light. I can move stuff over a little bit too if you want. I forgot about the ways to get a better look here. In fact, I'll just home it. Kind of look at it. There you go. Yep.
Now you just have my shadow to deal with.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard not to.
But the ways look good. Okay. All right, we'll walk around a little bit here.
Come on through. Let me close this a little bit. Back in. Care package. Get your label. We'll open up the door. This one we can actually open it because we got some room back here. There we go. It's my 220 coming into the machine, my temp. All that.
I did, Rod.
4 drives.
Okay.
Yeah. Coming around. The regen unit up on top. This is cool. I don't know what it's for, but I like it.
Cell phone antenna.
It looks like it, though. Cell phone tower. There we go. I think it's supposed to be magnetized. I'm not
You
sure.
broke it.
I broke it. Yep. Tailstock. I think we're okay over here.
Okay.
Yeah. This one, let me bring it in a little bit. Anyhow, it's hanging way out there, but
Okay.
yep, got the wrench here. That's all good. Yeah, tailstock, manual, and leave that open. Show a few screens over here again. What do we have? Program up front here. Position. We were just there. Call out either one. XC. Offsets. Current commands, F2, 3 for the spindle. I've already loaded up 2,000 RPM in the spindle, I think. Alarms, no actives. Diagnostics, good to have. Air pressure, coolant, all that good stuff. Bus voltage is on there. It's nice to have that. Settings. And help. There's all the icons for help. I haven't even gone into this. I'm just going to stay with.
Because you don't need no help.
I just don't need any help. I just don't. I'm a standalone guy. I'm gonna go to jog mode here. Jog Z. I can jog Z over here. I'm just gonna come off the hand wheel here and move over a little bit. Looks nice. X. A little bit more. I did it before. I can let it come back. It's not really a rapid, but it's close to it. If I just hit home over here, let them both go back again.
Okay.
0 return. Let's just home it. And it sounds pretty good
It's
that
good.
way. Let me bring it back out because we do want to index, right? So
okay.
let me stay with jog here. Jog Z. Where's my? I keep losing my display. There we go. Bring that out so we can see the turret. Something like that, and we'll go turret forward. It's all pretty good. Back it up a couple times. Yeah. Move that out of the way a little bit. Back to jog. Sorry, I was an MDI. I forgot. There we go. Move that over, and we can get over by the spindle here. Does this thing open more? I think it does, right? There we go.
Okay, great.
And, yeah, I'll just come up at, let me see where my percentage is at here on spindle. Is at 30%. So I think I got a program for 2,000. We'll start a little bit low. Let me just jump in on forward, which is 600 at this point. You kind of see a top line. I'll bump it up a little bit then. 8. About 60% gets us 1,200. Sounds good. Where are we at now? 14? Let's go one more. 80% of 2,000. Now, come on over, I'll stop it and reverse maybe, come back the other way. Or just let me start up same way again. And, oh, it's main spindle, let me drop down a little bit. This one has that over safe speed limit also. There we go. And see what it'll give me. And it should stop and reverse now. Let's see. I don't think I'm over. I am. That's reverse for what it's worth. And one more time forward. And up a little bit more. 2,000. And what else we got? That's pretty much it, I suppose so. Yeah, everything works. The screws, turret index, spindle. I think we're good to go here. Did you show the cooling system? I guess you did over there before, so.